passing a prop through 3 or 4 layers of components that don't even use it just to reach a deeply nested child is called prop drilling, and it's a real pain. In this video you'll use provide and inject to skip straight past it. Theme is genuinely provided under the key theme available to every descendant, however deep. This component genuinely never received theme as a prop. Inject reaches straight past every intermediate layer. Because a real ref was provided, changing theme.value here genuinely updates every descendant using inject theme 2. N is a genuine fallback, used only if no ancestor ever actually called provide locale. Prop drilling forces every intermediate component to know about data it doesn't actually need. Provide and inject let a value skip straight from a real ancestor to whichever real descendant actually needs it. Provide key value makes a value reachable by every descendant, no matter the nesting depth. Inject key pulls that value out directly, skipping every intermediate component as a prop. Providing a ref keeps the connection reactive. Inject key default covers the unprovided case. Provide a ref from a top-level component and inject it inside a component nested 3 levels deep. Next, swapping which component renders entirely and preserving its state with keep alive.